Hey guys, welcome to the Crypto Bull Channel with your host, William. And today, guess what we've got? We've got a pretty cool unboxing of a pretty sweet gaming chair. That's right, we're going to be unboxing, assembling, and giving you a run through of the AndaSeat X Air Pro. And that's going to be an unboxing, assembly, and use. Now, let's see what's inside the box. The all-mesh backrest, and this ensures superior airflow and sweat-free comfort. We're all about that. The seat base, featuring a 6cm seat depth extension for ultimate thigh support. We've got the upgraded 5D armrests, fully customizable with 360-degree rotation and 9 height levels. The lightweight rust-proof aluminum base, built for stability and durability. And we've got the SGS Class 4 gas lift, supporting up to 265 pounds or 120 kilograms for smooth height adjustments. The PU-coated caster wheels for effortless, quiet movement on any surface. And the all-necessary tools and hardware, all that stuff that ensures a seamless assembly experience. And guys, everything is packed for a smooth and hassle-free setup, so let's put it together. First off, the X Air Pro is designed for quick and easy assembly. So, number one, we're going to attach the caster wheels. We'll insert each wheel into the aluminum base and press firmly until it clicks into place. Number two, we're going to install the gas lift. Place the SGS Class 4 gas lift into the center of the base, and this allows for smooth height adjustments and optimal support. Number three, securing the seat onto the base. We're going to align the seat with the gas lift and press down firmly. The pressure-free sloped seat edges promote better circulation and reduced fatigue. Then number four, we're attaching the backrest. Just line up the 7-level adjustable backrest with the seat's mounting points, securing it with the included screws. This ensures continuous lumbar support no matter your posture, so that's good for the old lower back. Number five, we're installing the 5D armrests. Unlike standard armrests, the X Air Pro's 5D armrests offer 360-degree upper rotation, 220-degree lower rotation, and multi-directional adjustability. And we're going to secure those with the provided bolts for a fully customizable experience. Number six, we're going to attach the 3D adjustable headrest. Featuring a double pivot mechanism, the headrest locks into place effortlessly. I always have a problem with that word. Adapting to your neck and head position for optimal support. Number seven, final adjustments. We're going to tighten all the screws, check the stability, and your X Air Pro is ready to go. So now, using the X Air Pro, all its features and adjustments. So let's talk about breathability and comfort. The all-mesh design across the seat, back, and headrest ensures maximum airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable throughout the day. The lightweight yet durable mesh fabric has been tested for 10,000 cycles of abrasion resistance, and that guarantees a long-lasting performance. The 5D armrests are the ultimate customization. Unlike standard armrests, the 5D system on the X Air Pro offers 360-degree upper rotation, 220-degree lower rotation, and that's for enhanced flexibility. You've got 9 height levels for personalized positioning. You've got 4.5 centimeter front, back, and 13 centimeter side-to-side adjustments. And this ensures perfect arm placement for any task. And onto that self-adaptive tilt mechanism, the X Air Pro's self-adaptive tilt technology automatically adjusts to your weight and position, providing seamless recline support from 105 degrees to 126 degrees. So let's talk about that seat depth extension for maximum leg comfort. So the 6cm seat depth extension offers added flexibility for improved leg and thigh support. thus reducing pressure and enhancing circulation during long hours of sitting. And of course, unmatched stability and durability. The rust-proof aluminum base ensures lightweight yet rock-solid durability, while the 65mm PU-coated casters provide smooth, silent movement across a lot of different floor surfaces. So here's a demonstration in the gaming setup. The XAir Pro isn't just about looks, it's about real performance. And whether you're grinding ranked matches deep into an RPG campaign or streaming for hours and hours, this chair supports every movement with ergonomic precision. With its full adjustability, breathable comfort, and sleek modern design, the XAir Pro is the perfect upgrade for your gaming setup. So here are my final thoughts on this beautiful chair. The XAir Pro is a premium chair for serious gamers, serious professionals, and just average or anybody else that's a creator or has a desk. It offers unmatched adjustability, airflow, and durability. Guys, want to experience the XAir Pro for yourself? Use the code CryptoBull for $30 off down in the description with your purchase. Order today and experience what true ergonomic comfort feels like. Upgrade your seating experience and order the XAir Pro now. Guys, this is the AndaSeat XAir Pro, and best try AndaSeat. My name's William. This is the Crypto Bull channel. Everything you need is down in the description. Don't forget that promo code CryptoBull for that $30 off of your purchase. You guys stay amazing, stay awesome, and absolutely classy. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.